Ako na delivery.
Birthday to you. Oh, there. Yay! Mamaya na nandun na yung
Narinig ko na nga. Wait lang, I am an introvert. The winter.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. How old are you na daw, Jess? How old are you?
I should. Oh, I'm 19. I'm 19.
Now you're 20.
I am 19.
Ago.
Yay! Did you make your wish?
Guys, look, I'm buying this.
Nabili siya, guys. Nag-vibrate na siya.
Kanina pa.
Secured, guys. Purchase done. Secure! Happy na siya. Secured, secured.
Uy, ang dami ko yung wall na.
Oo. Swipe Parang nakita yun sa video ata. Hindi ko sure.
Guys, look at this. Uy, actually, may, yung guys, lahat ng stock, meron pa sila.
Halos lahat
Dito
nandun.
kayo sa ano? Dito kayo sa
Eastwood.
Eastwood.
Oo.
Guys, after we will bowling. Tama ba itong daanan natin?
Yes, dito tayo galing.
Ano ba yan? Kanina pa ako nag-video, di pala siya naka-play.
Really?
Yeah.
Kaya pala hawak mo.
Nagbabayad pa ako, tapos di pala siya naka-play. Oh my God.
Kaya pala tinuturo mo yung camera kanina.
What's your order? Ulysses or half dahong tao? This one is
Dahong
dahong tao. Without the cream lang. Guys, I got to. Happy birthday. Is it still your, it's still your birthday?
Sorry, akala ko nahulog.
Still your birthday. Still her
It is,
birthday.
akala ko nga parang late na for listeners people. So,
What's yours? Ay, this is mine.
yes, this is the thicker straw.
Thank you, Jen. Ay, guys, we're gonna go bowling na.
Rella wants a dog, guys. Toy poodle. Baka naman. Guys,
And we're going
saan
up.
kami?
Guys, lagi na lang kami dito.
Walang
Ito ang takbuhan namin pag
madaling araw.
mga 10, past 10 na.
Kasi
Past 10
naman,
p.m. Ito
what-
lang po
What
kasi.
else would, what else would be open?
Ay, bukas lang ano, i-gateway din. Para daming tao.
Turned out, medyo slightly planned.
Guys, hindi kasi natutuloy pag plan.
Yan lang.
It's open.
Oh, may bought first coffee na.
Oh, mas
We're here, guys. At ihina kami.
ako.
We got a free pansin
Ayaw niya pa kunin. 5 pesos din yun. Pwede mo pa gamitin sa shoes mo yan.
Overthink ko. Totoo naman. Agreed. Wag mo lang gamitin yung tape.
Yeah.
Here. Plain 9. Thank you po.
CR.
Yun nun ba? Let's see our guys. Come on. Palaki pa.
Look, straight, ano siya? Straight 10s, like potahan. Spare pa, no, strike pa lang.
Ayan. Gumit na siya.
Madalas na siya sa kamay ko.
Ay.
Ha 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 ha. Ah!
Nag-improve ako, guys. Yun ang importante.
Okay, we're done. Saan tayo next? Wala pang balak umuwi. Aalis ka pa bukas, unless gusto mo pang gumala.
Ganun tambayan. Yung malapit. Kasi Dunkin tayo. Tapos,
Go. Ako, no problem naman. Init ah.
Diba?
Oh my God.
Sorry ah.
Guys, did you hear that? Parang may hangin.
Akala ko ba there's no beer?
Ay, bawal ko pa siya anuin kasi birthday na pa. After 5 minutes, pwede na.
Birthday ko, tapos ginaganon ako, pinabarap ko.
Guys, we're going to... Saan na pupunta?
Economia Road, wait.
I don't know.
Half time, ano ata?
Pag hindi natin nagustuhan yung vibe ng ano.
Yeah. Ano nila? Alis.
What time is it? It's already 12:06. Oh, tapos na yung birthday mo. Pwede
No.
na kita asarin ulit.
Parang kanina pa akong inaasar. Minarinig ko sa gilid, cutter.
Dito tayo. Parang iniikot natin yung
Bakit
ano.
pa tayo pinaikot? Parang dito tayo nag-picture ng
Right.
Valentine's.
Guys, dito kami nag-picture.
Oh, we
ng
miss si Elvie.
Valentine.
Ang laki na.
Guys,
Oh,
dito
no,
kami
this
nag-picture
corner
before.
talaga.
This corner.
This corner, is yung...
I'll pop a picture here. This one, this one.
And here, there, and there. over
Here,
there.
ang dami. Like, lahat. Dito rin, dito. Wala na yung ayan ang pala. Guys, look. First time ko lang nakita sa Dunkin' ganito yung...
I feel special, guys.
Then we got munchkins. When a birthday. Stop.
Still fulfilled, guys.
Guys, kahit kami lang dalawa nag... Ay, yung isa ka...
Enjoy kami.
Sana pala si
Yung isa eaten
Aaron
lang.
gan.
Uy, pero na-bring ka
Kumain
talaga.
lang, tapos
Thank you.
yung ano.
Try.
It's good. Pero mas
Guys,
masarap yung ano
munchkin
niya.
na
Yung isa
strawberry.
pang Bavarian. Yung
Ay,
white
Bavarian yung
cream.
usual ko.
Masarap. Saan ka nag-celebrate ng birthday mo?
With a friend. Dito pala. Di ba maaga yung upcut mo? Saktong 3 to 4 yung schedule. Wala.
Ooh, so parang sumaba lang kasi they have to eat.
Magkakaklase kasi kami. So, you eat. Ano na
Steak.
Uy, bro, that steak was so good.
I know,
Hindi
right?
ko alam kung gutom lang. Pero it's good really.
Good talaga siya, I swear. Hi guys. Tapos na kami sa Dunkin' and it's now 1:32 a.m. We're finding a spot for...
It's so cute. Pakita mo nga, please.
Guys, look. Ayan, wait lang. Uy, that's so cute! Look. Hindi ka kita, no? Oh, here, oh. Ay, doon tayo nagtambay.
Mm.
Really? Doon sa isang ano. Ay, sorry. I'm not touching you.
So, okay na yung kabilang. Oo, inang layo.
Hi guys, we're just staying. Kitiktok ako.
Record ka na pala.
Hi guys, we already booked and it's already 2:27 a.m. Then nag-book na kami. Bro, ang smell is... Do you smell that?
Yeah, it's guys, we should go.
And parang ano na din guys, uulan. Oh my God!
So she loves people.
Okay.
Yeah. Medyo in your face lang approach niya. Gusto niya talaga magpa-pet yan.
Very excited. Pwede mo hawakan.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Hello! What's your name?
Loisa,
Luis!
this is her favorite pastime. Like,
Okay.
the moment somebody makes eye contact, kaya na just
Nice to meet you,
Liza. Gusto niya
Oh, that's so cute. Hi! So pretty. Oh, that's so cute.
I'm Eloy.
Look at their tail.
adventures every day. The moment somebody looks at her,
Wow. Wow. Bye-bye. Nice to meet you.
customer ka na.
Ang cute.
Oh!
Come on, let's go.
Good luck po. Ayan.
Bye-bye. Thank you po.
Nice to meet you. She's so cute, guys. I smell like a dog now.
Uy, nagulat to kasi bigla siya lumapit.
Nagkinabahan ako.
Akala ko ready niya na akong duck. Oh my god, it's there na
Friends
pala.
to play. Ala. Sorry pa, na-distract na. Sana may alcohol si Kuya. I smell like a dog. Look, my hand. I can't,
Okay, our grab is there na, guys.
inano pa naman yun, buong pants ko.
Uy, pero ang cute. Nagulat lang ako. Oh my god, parang...
Maglalaro na kagad siya. Akala mo habulin ka.
No, akala ko tatakmain na ako. Itinitigan ko pa naman. Bigla siya gaganon. Oh my god. That's crazy, guys. But it's so cute.
Yes. And bro's name is Aloysa.
Nagulat ako kasi guys, ang ginagamit ni Jen na name for her
like,
parcel
coffee,
or parang hindi siya makilala is Eloisa.
Saan
Tapos the
yan?
dog's name is Loisa. Can you check? NKM. I think it's that one. Is it black?
NKA?
Ay, that's gray. NKM.
Ay, dapat tumawid na tayo.
I think we should go there. Girl, is it that one?
Ano number 4?
Yeah. Turn.
Sorry.
Jailwalk.
Hindi ko nababasa yung...
Pero hindi siya kita.
hindi.
Okay. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning po. Okay na po.